Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Unez Plans, and I am back with another monthly highlight video. This is my monthly highlight video for the month of April. I'm using this stunning kit from Nikkiplusthree. It is in gold foil. I'm a little bit behind on my monthly rewind videos, and the reason behind that is I love monthly highlight videos. Like, I love watching them, and at the end of it I love like looking back and seeing everything, but I always feel so intimidated by monthly highlights, or especially whenever I decide to sit down and do monthly highlights, because I put all of this like undue pressure on myself to make sure that the spread turns out as perfect and pretty as possible, and then I feel like it's a little complicated to do that because each individual box is, you know, set up in a different way. Like, there are different events, and obviously for me, I like to pull in a lot of like my leftover stickers to do my monthly highlights. And so I don't know, sometimes I just get like, I feel like the inspiration for doing monthly highlights, it takes a while to, I don't know, to come to life, and I can't think of the words that I'm trying to say, but so yeah, I let myself get a little bit behind, especially for this one. I don't know why. I just felt like, because I've been using Sadie Stickers kits, I was a little intimidated to use a Nikkiplusthree kit because I hadn't used one in several months, and I was a little rusty out of practice, I guess. So it took me a while to film this, but anyways, here we are. So jumping in, starting on the first, I am just marking Hello April using a piece of Vine Deco from Honey Inked, and that bowstring box is from the Giving Girl. Something I will say is with Nikkiplustthree's newly formatted kits, she adds floral deco, and she adds floral deco to her monthly kits too, which made me really, really happy. So I did add some floral to the kit. On the second, I just wanted to mark that I had like a treat yourself kind of a day, so I pulled in a box from Miniriotco. That Me Time Fancy Bathtub is from the Sweet Planner, and the hanging flowers are from My Spoiled Planners from a freebie. On the third, I wanted to mark that I had a balloon gig on this day, so I pull in a half box from the kit. That Flourish is one from the same, I believe it's from a Pretty Pink Co. freebie. The balloon dog is from Plan Fantastic, and the custom balloon gig script is one that my mom made for me. Jumping over to the fourth, I wanted to mark Easter really special, so I pull in one of those clouds from a Giving Girl sample with a little rainbow on it, some florals from the kit, and then some foiled florals from Honey Inked. The Easter script is one that came with the kit, and I just really liked the way that this particular box turned out. I just felt that it was very springtime, very floral, very cute. On the fifth, I wanted to mark that I cleaned my house. I do put a full box over the square, and then I pull in that little mini kitchen flat lay from Papershire. I did clean more than just the kitchen, but I felt that that represented where I always start in my kitchen whenever I clean my house. I don't know why, I just feel like that's like a good place for me to start. Anyways, moving on. Jumping over to the sixth, I wanted to mark a gym session, so I pull in a confetti layering circle from the kit. I pull in a divider that came, that divider, it came from a Saucy Stickers Co. freebie, and I may have to go and pick some up for myself because I love that. I wanted to mark that I went over to my mom and dad's house on this day, so I pull in a little house icon from the Pretty Pink Co. Jumping over to the seventh, I wanted to mark a grocery trip that me and my husband did, so I pull in one of those floral framed circles from Miniriotco. The little grocery store icon is from Paper Shower. The grocery shop script is from Planner Kate, and then I layered the little grocery shop sticker, or the little grocery shop. Yeah, it's a store. It's a grocery store. Jeez. Grocery store icon. I layered that over a botanical divider from Letters from Lay. Jumping over to the eighth, I wanted to mark that I got to hang out with my nieces and nephews. They were over at my parents' house, and we just jumped on the trampoline, which I was so happy I was able to mark this. I pull in some florals from the kit. That little fancy box is from the Pretty Pink Co. And then the little trampoline icon is from White Deer Stationery, and I bought that specifically to mark when I jump on the trampoline with my nieces and nephews, and I was so stinking happy to pull that in. Anyways, moving on. Jumping over to the 9th, I wanted to mark that I did some sticker organization. Oh, that's something that's just, I don't know if I'm ever going to get a hold on, is my sticker organization. I have a good system, but I like rearrange where I keep everything all the time, just because I guess I get bored with like certain stickers being in one place, and I'm like, okay, let me confuse myself. So anyways, to mark that, I pull in another half box. That, I don't know where that floral divider wreath thing is from. It was from a freebie, I know that's for sure. But the craft cart is from Crafts by Towie. On the 10th, I wanted to mark that I talked on the phone with my best friend. So I pull in a fancy frame box from Meg B Makes. That floral divider, again, I have no idea where it came from. Again, it must have come on a freebie, but I have no idea from which shop. I'm so sorry. And the little phone icon is from the Glitter Mama. Jumping over to the 11th, even though you can't see it because I am out of frame. Good job, Jen. I wanted to mark that I had a game night on this night, so I pull in a confetti layering circle from the kit. The little cards are from White Deer Stationery. I did want to mark that I also uploaded a haul on this day, so I pull in a label from the kit, and that little mailer is from GL Designs Group. It's from a freebie that I received, and that flourish is from Saucy Stickers Co., that same freebie from the one that I talked about earlier. On the 12th, I wanted to mark that I had a Plan With Me go live, so I pull in some of these really beautiful like foiled washi strips from Saucy Stickers Co., and I layer the Plan With Me flat lay over top of them. I don't know, it looked like a little film reel to me, and I thought it was really cute. The published script is from Ice Cream Joe. On the 13th, I wanted to mark that me and my husband went to Jersey Mike's. I am obsessed with Jersey Mike's. It's a sandwich place, and everything is so fresh. It's like they cut the deli meat and the cheese like right in front of you, so you actually get to see where it's coming from. It's so freaking fantastic. But anyways, to mark that, I pull in a scallop box from Sadie Stickers. The sandwich icon is from Papershire. And the florals are from the kit, and the vine deco piece is from Honey Inked. Okay, so on the 14th, there was just a lot of things that went on that were not pleasant. So to mark that, I pull in some gold washi from my stash, along with some just plain colored washi. That little girl is from Daily Dose of Stickers, and then I layered her over another confetti circle, just to mark that that was a bad day and we kind of got some upsetting news. But life goes on, right? Right. Okay, jumping over to the 15th, I wanted to mark that I had a hair appointment, and I'm pretty much marking it the exact same way as I marked Hello April, with a piece of honey inked vine deco, and then that bowstrung box from the Giving Girl. And then I got to pull in this adorable hairdryer icon from Crafts by Towie. I think it is so stinking cute. On the 16th, I wanted to mark that we just had a lazy day, so I pull in a label from the kit. That half scallop box is from a sampler, I believe, from Saucy Stickers Co. The little girl sitting on top of the lazy day is from Planning Like a Pro, and then the lazy day script is from Pink Leaf Prints. Jumping over to Saturday, I wanted to mark that me and my dad went scouting for some locations for my husband and his band to perform. So I just marked that with another full box from the kit. The car is from the GP Studio, and then that flourish is from the Pretty Pink Co. On the 18th, I wanted to mark that this was Plans Change, episode 21. So to mark that, I pull in a little cloud bowstrung box from the Giving Girl, some more florals from Honey Inked, and some florals from the kit. And then that phone is from the Glitter Mama. I always love marking Plans Change episodes in my highlights because, let's be honest, it's a highlight. Jumping over to the 19th, I just wanted to mark that I got some Happy Mail, and I really love the way that I marked this. I pull in one of those Polaroid stickers from Miss and Meow. I layered some honey inked floral deco behind that little White Deer Stationery mailbox, and then I pull in a floral from Honey Ink, and I just love the way that that turned out. On the 20th, I wanted to mark that me and my little brother and my husband made some merchandise for my husband's band because they had a show coming up that upcoming Saturday. So I pull in a half box, and then that little fold close icon is from Crafts by Towie. On the 21st, I wanted to mark that I filmed a haul, so I pull in another bowstring box. These are all bowstring box except for the two yellow ones. These were all from a freebie. I think it was her springtime freebie, and I just was absolutely obsessed. They were like perfect colors to pull in for the spread. But I mark filming a haul, so I layer some florals, some foiled florals that I got from a freebie from Saucy Stickers Co. And then I pull in that little Happy Meal icon from Papershire, and the film script is from Artbox Stickers. Okay, so jumping over to the 22nd, I wanted to mark that I had a gym session with one of my best friends. So I pull in a label from the kit and I turn it vertical. I cut it to where it'll fit into the box. I take this little, and then I pull in this little workout girl from the GP Studio, and then that flourish is from the Pretty Pink Co. Jumping over to the 23rd, I wanted to mark some Amazon Happy Mail that I received on this day. So I pull in another scallop box from Sadie Stickers. The Amazon delivery is from a freebie that I got from Pink Leaf Prints, and then the Vine Deco is from Honey Inked. Jumping over to the 24th, this was the day that my husband had his very first live performance since COVID, and it was so exciting. So I wanted to mark that pretty special with a fancy frame box from Meg B Makes, some more florals from Saucy Stickers Co. It was that same freebie from the as the other one, and then the microphone is from the Pretty Pink Co. And then I pull in this custom script that my mom made for me. Those are just the initials for my husband's band. It's Submit Thy Will, so it's STW. But yeah, we were very excited because that was like their first live performance after COVID, and it was so freaking exciting. So I wanted to mark that pretty special. On the 25th, I wanted to mark that me and my husband went over to his grandparents' house just to have Sunday dinner. So I pull in another full box from the kit, and then that little house is from the GP Studio. On the 26th, I wanted to mark another gym session that I marked with a little confetti circle from the kit, and then the shoes from the same freebie that I got the other shoe from GL Designs Group. I also wanted to mark that I had a YouTube binge on this day. I believe there was a lot of like planner related things that went live, so I got some fill. So I marked that with a little girl from the Fox and Pip, and the custom script is the one that my mom made for me. Jumping over to the 27th, I wanted to mark the HIT class that me and my sister teach. So I pull in a scallop circle from Miss and Meow, some more hanging deco from both Sadie Stickers and My Spoiled Planner. The little dumbbell icon is from Rose and Tea Shop. I actually just hauled those icons in my most recent haul, or one of my most recent hauls, so go check that out. The flourish is from Honey Inked. I really love how this little section turned out. I tried to pull in as many freebies as possible without having to dig into my actual stickers. That's another reason why I've been trying to like organize my stickers, is because I just don't look in my leftover sticker book that often, and I realized that whenever I looked in my leftover sticker drawer that I still have to put away and like organize, and I was like, oh my gosh. So that was my goal for this particular plan with me, was to try and pull in as many leftover stickers as possible. So jumping over to the 28th, I wanted to mark that I did some journaling. So I pulled in a label from the kit. That scallop half circle is actually from a freebie from Panda Bird Design. And then the little sticker journal is from Papershire. On the 29th, I wanted to mark that me and my husband had a double date with some of our friends. So I pull in that giant fancy floral box from Crafts by Towie, and those hearts are from Clever Gal Craft. On the 30th, I wanted to mark that I did some filming. So I pull in a half box. The film script is from Artbox Stickers, and the camera is from Crafts by Towie. In this empty box here, I pull in another full box, some deco from Honey Inked, and then the Hello May script is actually from my collab with Miniriotco. It is available on her shop, so you should totally go check it out. And you can also put my code in, Jen15, for 15% off, and you will get my freebie, which I will be able to show you guys very, very soon. These are the leftovers that I have from this kit, along with a Viv Wiggle. Thank you guys so much for putting up with this voiceover. I'm sure it was very jumbled and all over the place. It's I feel really rusty and out of practice doing this. But anyways, I hope everyone is doing well. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.